Welcome back to Show Academy. Think of studying like working on a giant puzzle. At first, the pieces look random, just shapes and colors that don't seem to fit. One diagram here, one definition there, a past paper question solved. On their own, they feel small, even meaningless. But day by day, piece by piece, something amazing happens. The picture starts to form, concepts connect, chapters link together, and suddenly, what once felt scattered makes perfect sense. Now imagine two students. One collects puzzle pieces steadily, every topic studied, every question practiced, every detail added to the picture. By exam day, their puzzle is almost complete, clear and strong. The other? They left pieces untouched, skipped topics, ignored the small efforts. Their puzzle is full of gaps, holes that the examiner can't ignore. Here's the truth. Exams aren't about one massive effort at the end. They're about the small, consistent pieces you put in place along the way. Miss too many, and your picture stays broken. Place them carefully, and you'll reveal the full masterpiece. So treat every study session as one puzzle piece. It may look small today, but when combined with all the others, it creates the picture of your success. Keep collecting, keep connecting. Study smart, grade up with Show Academy. And always, dream big.